morning, everybody. Today I am headed off to Las Vegas. I'm headed out for the NAB conference that I go to pretty much every year now. And it might seem like it's early this year compared to last year, but last year was actually quite late. It's usually, when I first started going, was usually more around this time. But the nice thing is, it's not a super early flight like it usually is, so I had a little more time to sleep and get myself together. I'll be heading out shortly to the airport, have a layover, and then be arriving in Vegas. So I will talk to you when I can.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines and this flight crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Las Vegas. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until we come to complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Well, I made it to Vegas. I'm at our hotel. It was a long day of travel, but not as bad as past years because we weren't up quite as early. But we're staying at a new hotel this year. It's called the MGM Signature. So it's kind of connected to the MGM Grand, but a little bit set back from the Strip and doesn't have its own casino in the hotel. But so far, from my first impression of the lobby and the room, I'm very impressed because the room seems bigger than Mirage and nicer, as you'll see. So when you walk in, this is what you see. The main area. So right here it looks like they have a little bar area and shelving, and then the nice king size bed and closet, which I have not yet opened but has drawers, safe. Ooh, extra blankets. They knew I was coming. And this is the even nicer part, a little kitchenette. So there's the TV with a DVD player that I didn't know about, or I would have brought DVDs. Coffee maker, which the other hotel didn't have. More drawers, a refrigerator, which, believe it or not, is very exciting because usually it's just a mini bar fridge that you can't use, but this way we can keep stuff cold in it. Sink. More cabinets, a microwave, and even a stovetop if we felt like cooking, but we don't because we're traveling, and who wants to do that when you're traveling? And then a little table and chairs, desk area, our view, which I may have. So as I was saying before the phone rang, I will have to show you more of the view tomorrow, but it is quite a nice view. No buildings up against us to look at, which is nice. And then a little sitting area here. Oh, by the way, Mom's here. She's been here all day keeping herself busy. Yes. So couch, sitting area, coffee table. And now let me take you to the best part. The bathroom, which has a whirlpool tub. And I came prepared with Lush products because I knew this was going to be here. Separate shower, dual sinks, also having a TV in the bathroom, as well as the lovely little amenities and things that they give you, and separate toilet area. So it's a very nice room, and I think we're going to very much enjoy staying here. Getting ready to head out and find something to eat, because it's been hours since we've eaten last. We made it to New York, New York. Hopefully you can hear me. And we're at Broadway Burger. So we haven't been here before, but it's pretty hopping tonight. Should be some good food. Well, I've used the shower and it worked very nicely. And a couple of things I've noticed about the room is, one, that there are lots of mirrors everywhere here. Some on the closet door. And of course, the bathroom, but not just this one in the bathroom. There's one over here as well, so plenty of mirrors to check things out in. The other thing I noticed was I was looking for the little card that you hang on the door, but it's all digital, so you just push a little button to say do not disturb or if you want housekeeping to come. So I've never seen a digital one of that before and thought that was pretty cool. And we also found out when they came to bring my mom's luggage that we have a doorbell. And I've never stayed in a hotel with a doorbell, so I thought that was pretty exciting. Those are all the updates for you for now. I'm gonna go and get some sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone, from sunny Las Vegas. This is the view from our window that I couldn't really show you last night. So I want to say the hotel right in front of us is Paris, but it's hard to tell. And then over here you have Aria, that big shiny one. And then this is a Hilton Grand Vacations. Over here, if I zoom in, you can see the big high roller, which is similar to the London Eye. So it's a nice view from our room. We're going to be meeting up with my coworker this morning for breakfast. If you've watched any past Vegas vlogs, can you guess where we might be headed? If you guessed the Bellagio Cafe at the Bellagio, where they have the best bacon and coffee that I've ever had, then you'd be correct. That's where we're headed. So I'm going to try to get a little video of our walk there for you and check in with you when I can. Walking around we did this morning, I got a bit sweaty, so I had to change my shirt because my other one was no longer comfortable. I've also had to change into my sneakers, which I was not planning to do this early in the day, or week I should say. Usually I go a bit longer, but my feet are already starting to hurt on day one, so I had to switch into the sneakers. But I'm headed off to my first class for the day. It's a Photoshop for video editors class, and that one's about 3 hours, I think, so heading there a little bit early so that I can get my badge, my monorail pass, all that fun stuff. My class went well. I think if I can take the time to implement those things, I will get much better with Photoshop and using it for video. But now we're headed to Paris to have some French onion soup and and explore the Paris Hotel and then see what happens. They don't have Belle here, but stay tuned. That was fun. We stayed longer and later than we thought we would, but we heard lots of good music. And now I'm going to get ready to head to bed. So I'll see you tomorrow.